Our English, speak with love. Love is nothing but a word. It has no meaning to it anymore, children. Say it knowing nothing of it used to make rhymes. What it flows, how I'm not sure. Love is nothing but a word. People say it means everything, but I can tell I can tell it's just a word. It leaves people crying, dying in pain. Hate is nothing but a word. It has no meaning to it anymore. Children say it knowing nothing of it. It used to take lives. What it used no, I'm not sure. Hate, hate nothing but a word. People say it to make other feel bad. All it is a word too. It leaves people crying in pain. It makes them sad. Two words mean the world, but now they are loose. The young people don't understand it means a lot and they care.